I'm going to try and reset this computer back to factory. So I'm going to go into this box here, the Windows box, and just put reset. And it comes up reset this PC. So reset this PC. You can either keep all your files, it attempts to keep all your files, or remove everything. I'm going to try and remove everything on this one. Going to get it ready. So it's going to do a local, or you can do it from the cloud. You can't do it on battery power, so you have to plug it in, which is a good idea. I was going to get that set up, but I forgot. So plugged in now, hopefully it'll go. Oh, it's already started. Ready to start, ready to reset this PC. Remove all personal files, remove any changes, all apps, and reinstall Windows from this device. Okay, it's going. Just leave it for a bit, but I ain't going to film it all. So I'll stop it now and I'll come back. It's going on now, it says it's installing it. Please keep computer plugged. Keep computer on and plugged in. It may restart a few times, so slowly getting there. There you go.
For more accessibility features, press Windows and U, or select the.
Just got to go through the starting process now. Windows 11, set it all up. So really easy to do, that is.